Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 26 lecture series, we will deal with the image view. Here we will deal with another example of the image view to display an image. Okay, so we will have three buttons. One is for tiger, another is for penguin, and third one is for jellyfish. Okay, so when we click on any one of the button, the corresponding image will be set in a image view. So let us elaborate this example. So open your Android Studio, go to file from new project, empty activity, next my animal. Okay, so Java API level 15, click on finish. So project is getting loaded. Now you can see our project has been loaded. We will delete this text view. Okay, so now we will take three sample images from pictures, sample pictures. I will take tiger, penguin and jellyfish. I will copy these images and in RES folder in drawable I will paste it. So RES drawable, show in explorer, in that one drawable folder I am going to paste these images, jellyfish, penguin and tiger. Okay, so I am closing this. So from palette wedges image view I will just drop this and I will select the tiger image very first at the initial stage. So here let us say 80, okay. So this is I am adding the ID for this image view is image. Now I am adding the three buttons, button below this one, tiger. Okay, then next button I will add penguin, and third one I am going to add for jellyfish. Okay, so whenever I click on any one of the button, the corresponding image will be set to this image view. Now let us run this configuration to see the look. Okay, when I click on tiger, tiger will be set. When I click on penguin, penguin will be set. When I click on jellyfish, the jellyfish will be set. Okay, so let us modify something. Image 800 250. There. Let us say 50. Okay, So this we have to manage from this constraint level. This is why, because we are setting it in a portrait mode and viewing in landscape mode. Okay, tiger, penguin and jellyfish. So now let us add the functionality to this one. Now add the functionality. The ID for image view is image view. For button tiger it is button, for button penguin it is button 2, and for jellyfish it is button 3. Okay, so we have 3 buttons: button B1, B2, B3. B1 is for tiger, B2 is for penguin, and B3 is for our jellyfish. And we have the image view IV. Okay, so we have to map all these things from XML into the Java. B1 equal to button, find view by ID, r dot id dot button. Okay, and then B2 equal to again button, find view by ID, r dot id dot button 2. And now the third button B3 equal to button, find view by ID, r dot id dot button 3. And we have the image view IV equal to image view, find view by ID, r dot id dot image view. Okay, so when I click on B1 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So here the IV dot set image resource r dot drawable. Okay, r dot drawable dot here we have to set the tiger. Okay, you can see in our project in a drawable we have this tiger. So for B2 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so here IV dot set image resource r dot drawable dot, now here second is for penguins, and the last B3 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Here we have to set IV dot set image resource r dot resource dot r dot drawable dot here we have to set the jellyfish. Now let us run the configuration. Okay, so activity has been launched. Let us see. When I click on tiger, the tiger is by default. When I click on penguin, the penguin will set. When I click on jellyfish, the jellyfish will be set. Okay, penguin, tiger, jellyfish, penguin, tiger, jellyfish, jellyfish, penguin, tiger. So whatever you are clicking, it is going to be set. So this is what the second example of image view, in which we are setting the image on click of the button. Similarly, you can have an app in which you can write me, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and whenever you click on the button, the corresponding person will appear here. You can have the image of your brother, sister, mother, father. Okay, you can load in the driver folder and you can have the fun. So this is about the image view in Android. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for the latest update, and like and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching.